All right, it is February 17th, and let's get a quick update on what's been going on with the Coyote swap. So, as you can see, put the intake in, got the cover on, gotta cap these AC lines. I did replace this AC hose, which goes down to the back of here. You can kind of see where it connects back there. I am a little concerned that I didn't get the O-rings all the way tight, because it's really hard to get your hand back there, and I should have done that before I put the motor in, but we've learned, so now we know for future. This is the I think it's called a transducer switch that will go down in here, right down there, and then we gotta put the condenser and radiator here. Computer is going to get sent out to Power by the Hour. They're going to do a flash on it, so that way everything is good to go. And yeah, so we do have some problems. I'm going to have to get on the floor to show it. So it's a little hard to see, but there is a leak down there, and that's coming from that plug right there. That's for a block heater. It looks like it's leaking from the inside of the nut. So I did order a new one, but it's on back order, so I don't have it right now, and I don't know when it's coming in, so that's not good. The other issue we have is when we took out the gas tank, zooming in, I melted that wire from the dual exhaust that I installed like 10 years ago. I'm gonna cut that section out and replace it, and then I've ordered aluminum tape to wrap around it to hopefully protect it. And I'm going to see if there's a heat shield on the red car that I can take off and put it on the black car.